laundry room has a utility sink, which is very convenient for washing pre-treating and other messier actions. After years of use, the back wall has become pretty dirty. I was thinking of repainting the walls, and I found this at Dollar Tree. Lately, Dollar Tree has been carrying all sorts of tile stickers. Each 12 by 12 tile sticker costs $1.25. Even if I mess up, the cost is minimal and I can just peel them off. So I'm going to use Dollar Tree's self-adhesive white wall tiles to give the back wall of my utility sink a clean look at minimal cost. To determine how many tiles you need, measure the surface area in inches to be tiled. Divide the area by the square inches of tile sticker. Then buy one extra tile just in case. Before tiling, clean and level the wall by sanding off any old adhesives or protrusions. Trace a guideline on the wall using a level and apply masking tape to the line where you will start applying the stickers. I was surprised to see that they were 3D and from a distance looked like real tiles. They are hollow inside, so very light. It is easy to peel off the tile backing since there is a sign that says, "Peel off from here." Align the edges of the tile sticker to the masking tape. At first I was only going to apply the tiles around the sink, but it looked so nice that I decided to finish off the whole wall. When applying the sticker around the cabinet, measure the perimeter of the opening around the cabinet, and then cut the sticker with scissors. It is a little tricky where there are openings, but manageable where there are no obstructions. It is so easy just to peel and stick. Adhesive strength is good, but not so strong that the tile cannot be removed. It is easy to reattach. But some joint lines do not stick well, so double-sided tape must be used to reattach them. Also, after the tiles were installed, some of the edges were gray. So I cut and paste white joint lines from leftover stickers to make them less noticeable. The total cost was $30 for 24 stickers. Honestly, when I started the project, I was not overly optimistic, and besides, it is just a utility room, but it turned out great. Overall, I am very pleased with how this tile worked out. In summary, the wall tiles look real enough until you touch them. I would not recommend it for the kitchen or large walls that are located within primary living quarters where the value of the house may be affected. I think that it is perfect for situations where permanent tile cannot be used as an accent in some rooms. The tiles are cleanable and replaceable. It is also wallet-friendly. If you are interested, please give it a try. You can change the atmosphere of a room very easily. And if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel.
Thank you for watching. See ya!